Hello, friends. Welcome to the podcast. My name is Raj. Today, we're going to do a guided meditation on decluttering your mind. So, find a comfortable position, whether it's laying down or sitting, however, you feel comfortable in this moment. Close your eyes softly and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Just breathe in and breathe out. You don't have to try to change your breath. Now begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and each exhale. Let each breath anchor you to the present moment, grounding you in here and now. Now imagine your mind as a room filled with clutter, thoughts, worries, to-do lists, and distractions scattered everywhere. With each breath, visualize yourself opening the window of this room, allowing fresh air and light to enter. As you continue to breathe deeply, begin to sort through the clutter in your mind. Notice each thought or worry as it arises, acknowledging its presence without judgment. Then imagine placing each thought gently on a shelf or in a box, creating space for clarity and calmness to emerge. With each exhale, release any attachments to these thoughts or worries, allowing them to dissolve into the spaciousness of your mind. Feel yourself becoming lighter and more at ease with each passing moment. Now, imagine a broom sweeping through your mind, clearing away any remaining debris or clutter. Feel the gentle breeze of clarity and peace sweeping through your mind, through your mental space, leaving behind the sense of spaciousness and tranquility. Take a moment to bask in this newfound clarity and stillness. Notice how your mind feels lighter, free from burden of unnecessary thoughts and distractions. As we near the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rhythm of your breath flowing in and out, anchoring you to the present moment. When you're ready, slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually bringing moment back into your body. Take your time savoring the sensation of clarity and peace that you have cultivated within. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, allowing the light of awareness to return. Carry this sense of spaciousness and tranquility with you as you go about your day. Knowing that you can always return to this practice whenever you need to declutter your mind. Thank you for listening. We'll talk next in the next episode. And if you feel like you have to declutter your mind, you can always come back and listen to this meditation. Thank you. Have a good day.